We have given algebraic fraction and we have to reduce this fraction to the lowest terms. To reduce fraction we need to have multiplication in the numerator and in the denominator. So let's check first our numerator, what we can factorize. We have 6ab minus 3a minus 2b. So if we connect 6 and negative 3a, we can factorize 3. The greatest common factor for 6 and negative 3 will be 3, so 3 we will take before parentheses, and in parentheses what will be 3 times 2 give me 6 and 3 times negative a give me negative 3a. So these two expressions we have, and next we have ab and negative 2b. We can factorize b from these two expressions, and what will be plus b, and in parentheses we will have a minus 2. Yes, b times a is ab and b times negative 2 is negative 2b. Okay, and next our denominator, we have b cubed minus 27. We know that we can rewrite 27 that this is 3 to third power. What next? In the parentheses we have 2 minus a and a minus 2. Because we have positive 2 and negative a, and in the second parenthesis we have positive 8 and negative 2, so I will factorize negative sign from the first parenthesis to get exactly the same expression which is in the second parenthesis. So I will put negative sign before 3, and in parentheses will be negative 2 plus a, because negative times negative give me positive 2, so at the beginning what I have positive 2, and negative times positive a is negative a. So everything is correct, plus b times a minus 2 over, and in the denominator we have here difference of two perfect cubes. So let me remind you formula when we have x cube minus y cube, this is equal x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. In our example, x is equal b and y is equal 3. So we will have b minus 3, and in the second parenthesis will be b squared plus 3b plus 3 squared, so this is 9. So this is equal. Now we can rewrite the first parenthesis, because negative 2 plus a is equal a minus 2. So we will have negative 3 have to copy, and we have a minus 2 plus b, and in parentheses we have a minus 2. And we have to copy our denominator. So we have b minus 3 times b squared plus 3b plus 9. So this is equal. Now we have the same expression in parentheses, so we can factorize a minus 2, of course. And in parentheses, whatever left we will have in the second parenthesis. So we have negative 3 and b. So negative 3 plus b over, and we see that in the denominator we have b minus 3. So b is positive and we have negative 3. If we change here, we will have the same expression in parentheses, because negative 3 plus b is b plus negative 3. So we have b minus 3 times b squared plus 3b plus 9. This is equal. we will rewrite the second parenthesis, but first we will copy. So this is b minus 3 over b minus 3 times b squared plus 3b plus 9. Now we can reduce b minus 3. We have multiplication in numerator and in the denominator. b minus 3 divided by b minus 3 is 1. b minus 3 divided by b minus 3 is 1. So now we have a minus 2 times 1. So this is a minus 2. a minus 2 times 1 is a minus 2 over, and 1 times this whole parenthesis will be the expression in parentheses, b squared plus 3b plus 9. This is my solution.